Hello everyone. Today's topic is sports injuries, classification, causes and remedies. Chapter number 7, physiology and injury in sports. स्पोर्ट्स इंजरी क्लासिफिकेशन कॉज एंड रेमेडीज। इसमें सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट बात है कि स्पोर्ट्स व्हाट इज़ द रीज़न एंड उसकी कौन कौन सी इंजरीज होती हैं और उसकी कॉजेज एंड रेमेडीज उसकी उपाय क्या हैं। राइट, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी शुड नो what is sports injury. Sports injury refer to the kind of injury that occur to the player during sports and exercise. In other words, the situation which occur accidentally during physical activity or when the player does not remain in the position of participation in the game or his physical ability decrease is also referred to sports injury. Right. Now classification of sports injury. क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स इंजरी कौन कौन सी इंजरीज हो सकती हैं। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एज यू कैन सी इन दिस चार्ट कौन कौन सी इंजरीज हो सकती हैं। क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इंटरनल इंजरीज देन उसके अंदर सॉफ्ट टिश्यूज इंजरीज के अंदर आती है कंट्यूशन, स्ट्रेन, स्प्रेन, लेक्सरेशन, अब्रशन, ब्यूरीज एंड दिस। और इंटरनल इंजरीज में क्या होती है, बोन्स इंजरी, जॉइंट्स इंजरी, फ्रैक्चर एंड डिसलोकेशन, ये सब चीज़ें आती हैं। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम लोग जाएंगे सॉफ्ट टिश्यूज इंजरी। सॉफ्ट टिश्यूज की इंजरी क्या होती है। अ सॉफ्ट टिश्यूज इंजरी यू कैन सी हेयर द सॉफ्ट टिश्यूज इंजरी that is STI, soft tissues injury is the damage of muscles, ligament or tendons throughout the body while playing games and sports. Soft tissues injuries are the different kind. First of all, contusion. Contusion is a muscle injury. It can be result from falling or jamming the body against the hard surface. ये आप देख रहे हैं, this is contusion. The dislocation of the skin is caused by blood pooling around the injury. Contusion is a very common in sports like boxing, wrestling, kabaddi, etc. etc. It is a very common to have swelling and stiffness in contusion. Sometimes muscles became permanently inactive in their work. Second is strain. Strain is the injury to a muscle or tendon similar to the sprain. The strain may be simple stretch in the muscle or tendon, or it may be a partial or complete tear in the muscle and tendon combination. In case of complete tear, movement of became completely impossible. In such situation, there may be unbearable pain as well. Strain can be due to heavy weight lifting or excess practice of the game. Can be classified, right? Strain can be classified, that is mild strain, then moderate strain. In this type of strain stretch, there is a slight tension in the muscle without tearing of the muscles. Moderate strain. In this type of strain, the muscle ruptures slightly, which also bring a slight decrease in the strength. The next is sprain. Sprain क्या होता है? Sprain होता है मोच आना. You can say ना मोच आना. Sprain, this is sprain. ट्विस्ट कर जाता है पैर, मोच आया इंटरनल. This is sprain. A sprain is the stretch and or tear of ligament, a strong bend or of connective tissues that connect the end of the one bone with another. The area of the body that are also vulnerable or sprain are like ankle, knee, and wrist. Sometimes it's lead to a fracture as well. Pain. Pain, swelling, and inflammation are the common in sprain. Sprain are classified severely: mild sprain, moderate sprain, severe pain. Mild sprain, slight stretch and some damage to the fiber of ligament which resists the joint movement. The moderate sprain, partial tearing of ligament. There is a abnormal looseness in the joint when it is moved in certain way. Severe pain, complete tear of ligament. This cause significant instability and make the joint non-functional. This is the next is abrasion. अब्रेशन का मतलब रगड़ लग जाना. दिस इज रगड़ लग जाना. हम जब खेलते वक्त नॉर्मली हम जब गिर जाते हैं, दैट इज रगड़ लग जाना. एन अब्रेशन इज अ वुंड कॉज्ड बाय superficial damage of the skin, no deeper than epidermis. Abrasion injury most commonly occur exposed skin come into move contract with the rough surface causing the grinding or rubbing away of the upper layer of the epidermis. If a player walk or fall down, the surface of the skin gets stretched due to friction. Usually it's happen in kabaddi, basketball and athletics. Laceration. You can see है जैसे फट जाना, जैसे चोट लगे फट जाना, छेदना, फट जाना. This is laceration. Laceration is the tearing of the skin with the sharp object or by impact injury from the blunt object of or force. The result of is an irregular wound. They are more dangerous than increased wound. It most cause tissues injury is minimal and infection are uncommon and poisonous. Very less blood absorbed out from these wounds. The make of this the make of wound are likely quite visible even after their healing. निशान छोड़ देते हैं. In incision, during playing, if their player fall down, which is very sharp object and pebble stone enter in the body somewhere, how in the leg or the body, then there is a wound. The wound depend on the edge of the object. It is a top down injury. Sometimes nerves and veins get damaged in incision. And buries होती है खरोच लग जाना. The type of injuries occur the player playing football, hockey, boxing. Due to no effect of upper skin, it does not appear with the small clarity, but the internal tissues are destroyed. The affected area turn blue by this injury. The blood spread under the layer of the skin as the blood vessel of the piece get broken or damaged. जैसे बोला नील पड़ गया, वो this is actually the blood formed of damaged blood vessels accumulate around the injury which result the black and blue mark. This can happen in the variety of the way such as direct blow to the skin or fall taken against the hard surface. Hard tissues injuries. Next is hard tissue injuries. Injuries of skeleton system is called hard tissues injury. This include fracture and dislocation. Types: dislocation of bone. Second is fracture. Affected organ, bones and joints. Right? This is हार्ड टिश्यूज इंजरी,